What's up, man? What's up, y'all? It's day 31 now, and basically for the last like 2 days, I've been working on this e-commerce, kind of project. So what we have right now is when we can search like for items, basically. And for this, I'm using the dummy.json. So I'm using dummy. For this, I'm using the dummy JSON API. So yeah, also we can search by category, but we have to remove this. We can search by category as well, and that's basically what this project does right now. So we're gonna try now. Now we're gonna try to implement the shopping cart feature. So basically, we're going to be able to add each product to a shopping cart. So yeah, let's get let's get a new photo called images or something, and then icons, and then we're gonna get this. I'm gonna download this PNG. So and we're gonna name this to shopping cart icon, and I already have a shopping cart navbar, so we're just gonna get this. Gonna get this icons like this. Let's see if that okay, is it white? So let's put this in a div class shopping cart div, and then maybe add a shopping cart div. I'm gonna say background color something. Okay, yeah, it's white. Okay, we want it on the right side. Um, right 0. Mm, okay, so how do I put this on the right side? How do I put the shopping cart div on the right side and make the div a circle almost during border radius. Right now it does nothing because I'm positioned. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay, so shopping cart nav bar, cart nav bar. Okay, well, okay, but this is not. I'm gonna say shopping cart nav bar margin bottom pictures or something. Display flex, back on the center. Okay, 30. Right. Let's give it a right of like 10 pixels. Okay, that's okay. That looks ugly as heck, but maybe 20. Try to align it with the search button. That's maybe 40. Okay. So now I'm gonna give us a cursor pointer, and now let's give um now we gotta give all the products a add to cart button, which is gonna be interesting. Okay. So add to cart is gonna be document.create element a button, add to cart button that text content is gonna be equal add to cart, add to cart button dot classless dot add to cart button, and then product div dot pen child, add to cart button. Okay, there we go. But now if we do this, we don't get it, so we're gonna have to get this as well for the other ones. So for init2, we're gonna do the same. Do that append child, add to cart button, and now if we search for something, there we go, and then for a filter by category as well. Okay, product div append child, add to cart button, like this, and then we should be okay. We do get it. Okay. So we're gonna git add, git commit, add shopping cart icon, add to cart button products, git push. Okay, and now we're gonna actually have two. Okay, so we're gonna need a cart array with cart object with product objects. So let's make maybe cart.html, and then cart, and then when we click this, cart.html, okay, and then we are going to be, it only exists in this function. So how do I create the add to cart functionality? I know I need to make a cart array full of product objects. I already made a separate HTML page for the cart. Do I need? Maybe I should make a separate cart.js file for all the cart logic and import the cart array inside my home page.html, where my homepage.js, which has the logic for the products appearing, and on clicking add to cart on the home page on a certain product, I should add that product to the cart in local storage. Click on the directory, separate object file, and use local storage. This is how small e-commerce structure is. Okay. Cart.js. Adding cart from local storage, adding item, removing item, saving cart. Get cart from local storage. Save cart to local storage. Add product to cart. Okay. Using homepage.js. Okay. Display the cart HTML. Cart page.js. Cart.js. Cart page.js. Okay, so I'm gonna make cart.js and then cart page.js. So in cart.js, I'm gonna have a cart which is gonna equal to either empty or local storage dot whatever the ChatGPT said. Local storage JSON or press local storage to get out of cart. So and then I have a function which is add to cart. Okay, maybe I should just copy this. I mean, I do know what this does. So, product. Enable.js modules. Yeah, so here we gotta type module, and then using a homepage.js, import add to cart, and then we're gonna get this. Oopsies. Cart HTML. Okay, so we're get gonna get this, and then we're gonna paste it inside. Let's see. Let's say like here. It's actually called add to cart. And then we're gonna do this in cart HTML. In cart HTML, we're gonna do cart it's in scripts, cart page.js, and then we'll get cart from cart.js. Press to cart items. So we're gonna create a div called class cart items. We should run the cart. Okay, we're gonna get this cart page.js like that. And let's see if this works. Okay, it says added to cart, but let's see. Okay, so add to cart this. Okay, it does seem to work. Okay, but we also want the so an image source item dot thumbnail. Let's add this again. Okay, now it's two of them. Okay, so let's create a this is gonna be a button back home. Actually, let's put it on the top. Put it up top, and it's gonna be Actually, it's gonna be a link back home. Gonna be home page HTML like this. And we're gonna add the font. We need cards.css, and I have the font family Montserrat, and I also need to get this, which is the font. To get this, which is the font, like that. This. Okay, why is the font not being added though? For work of Arial. Oh, okay, I'm done. I haven't linked the this this. There we go. Okay, now we're going to get get this. We're gonna paste it in. So cart items, it's gonna be just like this, like that. And then on cart page.js, we're going to have a button. We have a button which is going to be checkout, which of course checkout button, which on click um let's make a function. We'll call it support function empty cart, or let's say checkout cart local store dot delete item cart, like this. And we're gonna say empty. Okay, not here. Yeah. Gonna say empty cart. No, it's checkout cart. Checkout cart. Const checkout button equals query selector checkout button, and then checkout button dot on add event listener, click. It's gonna be empty checkout cart. We'll click this. Okay, there's some sort of error. I think it's I think it's to remove item. Remove item, yeah. Click refresh, okay. And then we're gonna have to also update the we're gonna have to also update the we're gonna also have to do let's put it down here actually. And we're gonna render the cart again. Let's put it down here, remove the responsiveness. And right now there is nothing. Go to application, we see we don't have anything. Let's go back home. Let's add something. Okay, we have that, have this and this. Then we'll go to a cart. And then we'll click checkout. And boom, it's gone. Okay. Okay, right now this only works with I'm gonna have to put this on the other thing as well. So right here and right here as well. So let's add something from here. Send the Calvin Klein, whatever this is. Let's search on for laptop IS. Search, add one of these. Let's say this one. Okay. And then let's do something like this. Or maybe something like this. And let's add this volleyball. And let's check our cart. Okay, here we have our cart, all different stuff. Okay, we also want to add the total price of the whole cart. So we're gonna have a export function total cart show total cart items. I'm gonna say return cart dot length, and then on this we're gonna show total cart items, and we're gonna have an h1. We're gonna have a span items, and then we're gonna const span element document dot query selector span, and then span element dot text content equals show total cart items. Okay, what the heck? Okay, what the heck happened? Um, oh, card is undefined. So we're gonna actually need to, we need get card. And now it should work. There we go. There we go, and then the total price. Export function total cart get cart items total price, and then let total price equals 0. Get cart dot for each product total price plus equals product dot price and return total price, like that. And we're gonna have come here, class total items, and we're gonna copy this. We're gonna come here, we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna have span class. Actually, no, we can just do and just do cart total price. My bad, Joe. Cart total price span class total cart the total price. Okay, and then I'm gonna come here, const cart total price span document dot query selector total price, and once the function called, it's called get card items total price, and we're gonna actually do this to make it look a little more readable, and then cart total price span dot text content equals get card items total price. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of a dollar sign right here, like this. It persists to local storage, which is very nice. Do we have a I don't think we have a remove from cart function though. I don't think we have. No, we don't. create a remove from cart function which removes an item from the cart. Filter the item completely. Okay, so we're gonna get this, and then afterwards it's gonna be here. We'll get cart. Okay, so in this we're gonna put this. Our button. Remove from cart. Right, now it doesn't do anything. I'm gonna go class remove from cart button. And we're gonna, I think in here, document.query selector, remove from cart button, dot add event listen, oops, dot add event listener, click, and then we're gonna call remove from cart item.id. Let's see if it, oops, what's going on. Okay, so what is wrong here? Problem is here. What's wrong? So let's run the first machine element, the third document. So if you're creating, oops, okay. So render after removing. After removing, are not to render the cart. So when items removed, that's what I need. So this part, you set totals only once. We should also update that. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the function, the updated function, right? So okay, so remove again, remove again. Okay. And we actually want this to be the two fixed like that. Okay, so we're gonna add this, gonna add this, we're gonna add some expensive phone. Okay, add this. Let's go to our cart. Let's remove the phone. Okay. Okay, so um cart page. Cart items. And I think that's pretty much the I think that our shopping cart is done now, to be honest. I think our shopping cart is done. Go to the cart. Let's kind of resize this. Yeah, it's not very responsive as of now, but it works. It works. It doesn't look very pretty either, but it works and that's what counts. And we remove something. It re-renders, remove renders, and everything is being saved to local storage. Right here. And yeah. Guys, you can see that I am using AI, but like AI speeds up your development process a lot. So if I was trying to do this all by myself, this would take like hours. But with AI, you can speed up the process. So you should be using those tools. If you don't use AI, you will be replaced by someone who knows how to use AI. So you need to leverage all those tools to yourself and stuff. So yeah. And I mean, I did some functions by myself as well. I made this total price function by myself. I made this show total card damage by myself. So it's not just, just AI. So yeah, to move, check out, back home, beauty or something. Click search, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. And then we remove something. So let's say we're gonna remove this, and yeah. Okay, guys. So guys, that's gonna be. I'm just gonna commit these changes. Finish shopping cart functionality. We're gonna go git push like that. And we can add the same item multiple times, which is pretty nice. Okay, a problem I think I'm seeing here is I have this item added 3 times. But the price is not high enough. So what we need to do is we need to price times product quantity. So what we need to do is this. There we go. And now we have So now we have, let's use the calculator. So now we have 3 times the 119.99, which is 59, plus 14.99, and then plus 12.99, and that is exactly 87.95. So now our our cart also adds a also takes into consideration the quantity of each product. So here we have three of these, and then I had the triple of that. So if we remove this, we're gonna have the total is right there. Now let's add some sort of other product like a couple of times like this, and then we go to the cart, and then we see that the total price of this is 519 and 96 cents. 519 and 96 cents plus 59.97, and we get exactly that. So yeah, 59, 59, 93. Okay, so we're gonna git add, git commit, and fix, get items total price, this function, get add, no, git push. Okay, so guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for today. We made some great progress. We made some very good progress on this project and stuff. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to follow me. All links in the description. And have a good one, guys. See ya. See ya tomorrow.